with the market outlook. So last week, huge reversal in stocks. This is 2 weeks ago here, this action, where we pulled in about 5% in the SPY. We pulled in much more drastically, a full 10% in the Qs, the NASDAQ. And then that Friday, we saw a major turnaround. And since then, we've been green ever since. It was clearly a shakeout at this point. You know, how could you ever know? We saw all these names coming 50% off highs and all these things. But look at that, right back at highs. The Dow Jones is on a tear. 7 straight green days, new all-time highs pretty much every day. So what we're seeing is the money go to the cyclical names, the value names, retail, travel, anything reopening related is getting the most love in this market. That's why the Dow is ripping. That's why the airlines are ripping. What are you thinking, Bennett?
Yeah, if you want to pull up that SPY chart, just a quick thing.
Yeah, 1 week I'm going to be ready for that. Not this week.
No, of course not.
Well,
No, I'm messing with you. Let me know when you have it up.
it's up.
All right, so again, path least resistance, as Shake already said, is higher. But again, a week or two ago, everyone was looking to sell. Market was going to crash. Now we're at new all-time highs. So this is a great time where we continue to hold what's been working and just raise our stops to be prepared if and when that market does start turning again. So for the SPY, be very defensive, be verse 390. The real pivot is really verse 370. But those are two key spots to look to free up some cash when the market doesn't have these amazing days like we've had the past week. So that's just my little 30 seconds on the broad market.